Hi guys, hi everyone. I want to show you something I think is very cool and useful. I'm messing around with AI new tools. I'm working on with the Krita and with StableDiffusion as well, but for a particular job, a particular task, I want to I had to mess around with 3D, and so I want to show you what I found with this new web tool, Meshy. I leave the link in the description, and I just made something, and I think it's very powerful and very useful for a specific kind of work with 3D. I want to show you something. I want to show you how, the result in Blender too, and after this I want to compare the texture of the model created by the prompt, so text to 3D. I want to compare the result with Meshy with Projectorz. I leave all in description so you can follow everything with this. Now let's begin with a new model. I want to prompt something like tiny Japan, tiny Japan mecha robot with fine details, armor, masterpiece. Let's press generate. It cost about I don't remember 15 credits. So okay, here we are. We have these tiny robot models. Okay, now we have just a rough mesh. I think I would choose this one, I think. Okay, now we have just to press texture. If I made, okay, now press texture, and we had also a queue for the texture, but it's very fast, this step. So now we have the preview model with the albedo map and the texture. Now it's quite good. Not super detailed, but it's quite good in my opinion, and it is in 3D. Now we can change the triangle quad. I leave in triangle. With this texturing with a pro plan, you can see I can rename the texture and create something different, but again we need a pro subscription. For today it's fine. For this part it's fine. I want to share with the public, so you can have more credit. Okay, it's good. And now I want to download the model. We have many options. I prefer to download OBJ and blend. So open this blend model. I want to open a blend model. Okay, double click. Oops, what is this? I don't know. No, I don't want to open it because it's here, but I don't want to use here. I want to use in a scene I already create. Very simple scene, a plane with a C shape, 2 lights, very simple area lights, and one camera. So I want to append my new body, and I want to append my tiny Japan here. I want to append the object. Voila. Here we are. Also with its texture and roughness, I want something metallic, and just have a quick. Oh wow! So to right. Sorry. Right. I just want to use okay, like this, and reduce this to 100. 100, okay, and this 100 right here. Here in the world, we can use a strength of 0.5 and press F12 to render out everything. Just a simple render. Okay, just a second. I want to speed up the process. Maybe 800. It's fine. The noise, optics, it's fine. Okay. I just want to have something simple but cool and easy to work with. Some plastic, shader, but for our purpose I think it's quite good. I mean, I cannot modeling nothing like this in a few seconds, of course. And we have the model right here. Okay, it's quite good. But let's say we want to have the control of our texture. Okay, now let's try to use this program. I leave in description everything, and I want to show you something interesting in my opinion. Now I want to use my Blender, my OBJ, robot. Voila. Alt and click to rotate your model. Okay, right here. Now it's fine for me. I'm working with let's say this level 4 XL alpha with caras and 20 steps. I want to create something bigger, so 1024 by 1024. I want to use a refiner, the same, within a simple upscale as gun. Okay, 15, it's fine. Okay, now I want to create a colorful tiny Japan mecha graffiti armor pop colors and spray. Okay, I want something fancy and very, very, you know, strange or atypical for a mecha, but I want to, why this happen? Fancy. Okay, something atypical for a model, like a robot or a mecha. I add just one control net or two control net midas, so depth, and the second one I want to use let's say line art, and you have to insert your control net. You can take from your you know, StableDiffusion, Excel, whatever, but you want to add something, click this button here, and we'll open also a web URL, but the folder where you can put your model, a processor. So the two control net right here. I have my object, and the very tricky and useful part. This program will texturing your model from the view. So from this point of view will be a texture. So in the back you will see nothing. So the right way to do something complete and to shade every part of your model, you have to oops, global scale, okay, it's fine. You have to multiply your object right here, one in this way, alt, okay, two for the back right here, it's fine, three for a side, four for the other side right here, and 5 from the bottom view. Okay, now we can separate and and upscale everything. Voila. I click, but I don't want to click nothing. You have just to be overlay. Okay, so remember to have all the pixel in your screen, and just press this Gen Art. So now we have what? We have masked everything but the black part. So in this case could be some problem here or here or here. We can fix, but for now I want to show you the process and the way to use this program, not to master the you know, the way to have the perfect image or whatever. Let's, okay, now I want to see that. Okay, it's working. Wow. Remember, colorful teeny mecha graffiti armor pop colors. So a mess in terms of colors, of whatever. But let's see what we got. Okay, it's okay, it's something weird. We can change it, it's fine from a point of view, but I want to Dream Shaper Turbo, so we have to moving down and to adjust 8 and CFG. Whoa, wow, this CFG is so high. I don't know the scale. No, something. Something. 2. Okay. No, I don't know why it's 20 and here 2. Okay. Remember, it's a turbo model, so you have to reduce steps and CFG. Now we can show and gen again. We can gen again. I hope. Oh, just press and gen again. Let's see. Now we another thing. We are with this turbo DPMPP. So you have to use the right one, DPMPP. SD DMPP. Let's try it. Now I like this texture so much because we have graffiti and texture with this kanji, Japan kanji. I like it. So I want to use it. I want to save. With this button you can save. I want to save 4K. So robot text 2. I save it. Now I want to open again my Blender. This is the robot with the first texture, the texture with the Meshy. Okay, now let's try to move this here and duplicate the model. You can duplicate in X, let's see, 0. Okay, now I want to create a new material and I want to use a new color, and I take the mesh right here from the other program. Okay, and now I want to compare the two with a simple render. Oh, 1000. Okay. Now for me it's quite interesting to see the difference between the two generations of texture. There are many there are two different way to look at the texture, but in my opinion the second one it's more interesting. And I think it's quite good for the purpose of the video. You can actually create something very cool and new, and also 3D with the program Meshy, and you can mess around with the texture in a funny and I think quite interesting way. Not resolutive, not professional maybe, but I think that with a cool and fun and with time you can improve your way to use this program. I think it's quite interesting and quite cool, this kind of work, and we can also try with 500 just to have the final result. And remember, this texture is 1K, I think. This texture is 4K, so there is a difference in a main difference in weight, and now we can see the difference in a moment with the final render. Okay, I think it's all for today, guys. Hope you like it. Hope this kind of video helped you to understand the way to use and to work with AI and with these new tools. And remember to be open to these tools, not be closed, and always try to improve your skills and your thinking about AI. It's an help, it's a hand to take. Don't be driven by the AI, drive the AI where you want to go, and that's all. Hope to see you next video, and for now it's ciao ciao ciao.